Next up I've got one of these. It's a Master Pro Series 6321. They're not a bad lot, these. They look heavy duty but they do open quite quickly. Bumping I found it's fairly difficult. I used a file down key to bump the lock eventually, but it did take a while. Single pin picking, I have single pin picked it. It wasn't too bad. With it being shrouded, you can't use padlock shims, and you can't use cone pick. Well, they fit in but they don't open the lock. Went through a few of the rakes, and the quickest way I found for opening one of these was the rake, snake rake. And it didn't take too long. Hopefully it won't make me look daft now I've got the camera on, but I did. Let me just get my hands off there. I did actually open this quite quickly. Oh, I thought that had gone, must be the wrench slipping. Let's do that again. There you go. That's the lock gone. So for me, I tried it on 3 of these and snake rake was the better one. That's the Master Pro Series 6321.